Okay, this video I will make introduction in details for each function. For the auto window, we can check here firstly the toolbars at the bottom, parameter side for the tenon. Okay, this is for the tenon. Okay, this is the popular function for this machine. Okay, that's the tenon. We have different tenon that can produce. For the tenon shape, we can find from here, the waist square. Let's show. Yeah, this is square. Another one, circle. Okay, this is circle one. Semi-waist. Okay. Oh, it's like this, half. Okay, half like this. It's half. Yeah. Another one. This don't use. No tenon. We also can do no tenon. Okay. This is the tenon shape. After we select the tenon shape, we need to set up the data for the production. Okay. From this drawing, it is very helpful and easy for us to set up each data. This is a land speed. Okay. Linear traveling speed. This is the arc or curve traveling speed. Okay. The seek. The seek means the workpiece thickness. Okay. The width, the workpiece width. Okay. And the bottom margin from here, that means how much size tenon you want to produce by this and this two data. Okay. The rotation means if we want to produce the tenon parallel with the bottom face, then no angle data input. If you want to tilt, the tenon has some angles between the bottom face and the tenon, the bottom face. You want some angle, you can input the angle data here. Okay, the times a single cut. That means if your wood is very hard or your wood is very thickness and your tenon is smaller, you want to produce the tenon in 2 or 3 times, not in one time. In one time, it will give a very load duty to your cutter. Maybe your cutter cannot bear it. Okay, yeah. The other one can be same or can be different. Yeah, for this, for example, I want a square one. Yeah, a square one. You also can input the data here as per your request. Okay, we can check here the data showing here. You cannot change. Okay, the vertical R, L, tenon distance, wood seek. Okay, for the wood seek, yeah, it's not copy here. It copy from here. The motion page here, we will input the thickness for the workpiece. That means when you do the tool calibration, we often use the wood do this job to load the table, and do the tool calibration. We should input the thickness here firstly. Okay, it will copy this thickness to here, showing here. Okay, for the vertical and level, that means the rotating, the swing. Okay, this is the level swing. Yeah, the milling cutter can swing angles, and this can tilt. R can tilt, right? Okay. This is the tenon distance. This data will show how much length our workpiece. Okay, for this length is between this edge to this edge. Okay, not total length. Okay, yeah. Here is a brief introduction for our job. Here we can see have this tenon, square tenon, and for this, the second line shows this job. Okay. Sometime maybe I want to get how to say. Let me find the showing. For example, I want to get this one. Yeah, you see here. Yeah. Angle. Okay. I want to get this shape or or other things, I will do here, to at this page. It have different things. L, yeah, LAN, yeah. Okay, we go back to here. Close it. Yeah, the third one is for this groove. Yeah. For example, if I want to drill holes at this end or open grooves at this end, I will use this page for production. Okay. Yeah. Go back. Yeah, after we set up every data, then we will do the test production. Here, I will show this window. See, clear button for the workpiece number. That means how many products we already produced. This is the target number. For example, I want to produce 10 pieces. Okay, now it's changing to 10 pieces. After we produce 1, here we show 1. After we finish 2, here we show 2. Until it reaches 10 pieces, it will stop automatically. Okay. The left is a left cutter. Yeah, left cutter. Right is right cutter. Okay, I can press the left cutter. Yeah, now it's rotating. Stop it. Okay, start it. Yeah, this is right cutter. Okay, stop it. Now this is the second start button. After everything is okay, we want to do the auto production. We just press start button. It will okay. Here is change speed. Okay, and pause, stop, pause the program and hold the program. Okay, here MPG. After we prepare a new program, I want to make a test. Then I can use MPG, select MPG and press start. Then we can control the program by rotating the hand wheel. Yeah. I rotate it slower, it will move slower. Yeah, and it can stop at any places. If we don't rotate the hand wheel, it will stop, and then we can check the program is okay or not. Yeah. Okay, we reset it. Yeah. Another one is semi-automatic. I already introduced in another video. For semi-automatic, that means it will don't load the workpiece automatically by the loading magazine. You need to load the workpiece by hand and then press start button. For example, I select semi-auto. After I load the workpiece, I will press start button. The machine will do the production. After it finish, you need to load a new one and then press a start button again. Yeah, that is semi-auto. I will reset it. Yeah. Okay, this is a 10 page. This is I don't know the correct English name for this. I just want to get a shape around this one, or very light curve or line on this face. Okay, you can use this function. Yeah, you can set up the data here. Okay, for example, this is popular. I will make introduction. Oh, okay. This is a level compensation, vertical compensation. That means, for this, for this type production, we will use this cutter, the milling cutter, this one, yeah, and that one, not the tenon cutter. So, after we, when we do the tools calibration, we do it by this cutter, not this one. So, by the machine axis, we need to make a compensation for this cutter. Yeah. So after we find the compensation data, we can input here. Yeah. This is the radius for each angle. You can input the radius here. The width and height. Width also talk about the workpiece. Okay, tool radius, that means the milling cutter radius, and the line speed, arc speed. Position Y. I will make introduction details for this one. This is very important. That depends on how depth, how deep you want to drill or open the groove. Okay. For this, when we do this, we need to light this is the T, okay, T2 for this one. Normally is also, we call it Y-axis. Okay, we light this spindle, go back to the reference place, and then we load. Okay, we can load one workpiece firstly. Okay, I will change into the drawer to load the workpiece by the loading magazine. Okay. No. Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. Okay, now we load a new one. Okay, now we will load a new workpiece and press this one. Yeah. Okay, we need to load one workpiece firstly, and light the T1 or T2 go back to reference place. Okay, I will select home. Yeah, they already add the home reference. Then we can change into the right hand wheel. Okay, and then we can use this one too. Okay, I will move the T2. Okay, T is for Y. Here is for Y. Okay. Okay, this is the T minus, so we can rotate the minus direction. Yes. And I will change into X axis firstly. Okay, let the cutter. Okay. Now I also change into Z axis. No, not Z. Y. Okay, we can rotate it. Let the cutter tips just touch the workpiece face. Okay, and then we will get the data, the T2. Okay, here this is the data, minus 78.6. Then we will go back to the auto for this production. Here we will position this one. We can input that data to here. But this data, it will cannot drill any holes. So if we want to, for example, drill 5 millimeter depth, then we can minus 5mm and change this data here. Okay, so that is the method. Okay, after we set up everything, then we press OK. It will go back here. It will show also have the square. Yeah, then we can do the production. Then it will do the tenon and the square, okay, together. If we have another whole string or group string, it will do the three together. Also, we can do only the holes, for example, for tenon, I mean non-tenon, okay, and also cancel this non. Yeah. Okay, and just do this. Okay, for example, I want to open the group. Okay, this one. Yeah, we also can set up the data. It's same. Yeah, it show everything here. We can start it and input the size we want and press OK. Then we can go back to the parameter side here. Yeah, it show this only. Then we can do this job. You just press start button, it will do it. Yeah, that is the auto page introduction. Okay. Yes. Also here, we can save our program. Yeah. We can press it. Yeah. We can press this. Yeah. We can name our program and press OK. Then it save in the system. If we want to call our program, we can press this button and select our program. Press OK. Yeah. Now everything will change. Yes, that is the auto page. Okay, next video I will introduce the jog page function.